This video I am going to show you how to create masters in our mini ERP. For implementing any ERP, first we have to create the masters for machine material method. First I am going to show you how to create masters for machines. In our factory we may have there are list of machines. So each and every machine first we have to create the master. So I am just show you the example. In our side panel you can see the masters location. In this masters location you can see list of masters. First we are going to create master for machine. Click this button and it is guided through our add machine panel. In this panel we can create masters. For example, drilling machine. There are unique number we may have, right? So I'm maybe QWR. So this is a unique number for that specific machine. Add. So this is how we can create masters for list of machines. Now I am going to show you how to create masters for our operations. For complete one finished product, this finished product is going to cross list of operations, right? For example, drilling, milling and shaping. So these are the list of operations it is going to cross, then only it is going to create as a finished product. So that is the reason we have to create masters for our operations. Again, in our side panel you can see the masters. Here you can see the add operation button. Just click. Here I am going to create master for example, drilling 5 mm. Okay, so these are the list of operations. So this is how we can create operations in our manufacturing area. Now I am going to show you how to add quality reasons, rework and rejection reasons. Wrong drilling and click a new item and it is going to add. So this is how we can create masters for machine, operation and quality. Now I am going to show you how to create masters for our employees. Here we divided into two segments. One is our direct machine operators and another one is quality inspectors. First I am going to show you how to create masters for our operators. Just click this add edit employee. Here I am just click on the add. Now I am going to add employee, maybe Sanjay, and can select active, save and update. So it is going to add our list of operators. The same thing for our quality inspectors. Click on add. Now Durai and select here active, save and update. So this is how we can create masters for machine, operations, quality, rework and rejection reasons and our direct operators and quality inspectors.